So we have this logistic equation, and here is the general form of a logistic equation in our text. And what the text did was they went step by step to show you how to get from the derivative of p with respect to t to this formula. So what you want to do is find out what r and what p is for this particular setup. Okay, so if you distribute, this would be r times p minus r times p squared over k. So r in our setup is c, which equals to 12 according to my initial value information. K in this setup has to be c. K has to be c because this term needs to just be p squared. So c divided by c makes those cancel out. Okay, so it's really about plugging in that information. We don't know the initial value of the population, but we can get that from this initial condition. So we're told that p of 0, that's going to be 3. So this is equal to 3, and that's p sub 0 times k, which is 12 that we just determined, times e to the 12t over, we got 12 minus that initial p sub 0 that we don't know, plus the p sub 0 times e to the 12, times 0. Sorry, we're plugging in 0 for the initial value information, so that's 0 in for t. Okay, so this is 1 because it's to the 0 power, so this is 12p sub 0. And in the denominator here we have 12. Look, this is 1, so this is negative p sub 0 plus p sub 0, so that's just 12. So we just found out the initial value of the population is 3. So now we can answer the question. We have p sub 0 is 3. So that means p of t equals initial population of 3. Let's see, we got times 12 e to the power of 12t over 12 minus 3 plus initial value of p sub 0 is 3 times e to the 12t power. You can simplify that. It's 36 up top for a coefficient. 12 minus 3 makes 9. So that's 9 plus 3. Let's factor out. What can we factor out there? Let's factor out a 3 from the denominator. So this is 9 divided by 3 makes 3 plus e to the 12t. And so you can simplify that a little bit more because 36 divided by 3 just makes 12e to the 12t over 3 plus e to the 12t.